For those of you still doing homework on what transmission and adapter strategy would work best with your R2.8 Turbo Diesel, we have a few options here on the market available, including whole bell housing replacement adapters to a flywheel housing flywheel adapter such as this one from Axis Industries. What Axis does with this particular kit is they mimic the back of a GM small block or LS engine. So they replace our complete flywheel with a starter ring and hub assembly. This crank palm adapter takes the GM flex plate, which bolts straight to the GM torque converter, and then you have the back of a small block V8.
Speaking of torque converters, we use this specific transmission in several of our test vehicles. We tested out different torque converter options and settled on a 2,500 RPM stall from zero gravity. That gave us the best vehicle drivability by allowing our turbo to spool up, allowing for enough air to get into the engine.